When a person is injured in a motor vehicle accident, there are two types of benefits that are applicable. The first benefit is against one's own insurance company, and they are called no-fault benefits. Those type of benefits one gets simply because they have an insurance policy on their car. The other type of benefit, one has to prove that the other driver was at least 51% at fault for the accident. When that happens, one is entitled to receive compensation for their pain and suffering and the inconvenience that was brought about by the motor vehicle accident. Let me take a moment to explain the workers' compensation system of Massachusetts. It is a no-fault system. The fault of the employee or the employer have no bearing on the benefits that are available. Once you're injured and you're totally disabled, you're entitled to receive 60% of your average weekly wage, payment of all the medical bills, and the payment of any future vocational rehabilitation training in the event that you cannot return to your previous occupation or job. In addition to the typical claim for workers' compensation benefits, an injured employee may have a claim against a third party who is not the employer or a fellow employee. If the injury was caused by someone other than the employer or a fellow employee, there is a separate case that could be had, and that is called the third party claim. In addition to workers' compensation benefits or motor vehicle insurance benefits, a person may be eligible to receive Social Security disability benefits. To qualify for Ssdi benefits, not to be confused with SSI benefits, two basic criteria must be met. First, one must have the appropriate qualifying quarters depending on one's age. The second criteria that must be met, one must be expected to be totally disabled for the next 12 months as a result of a physical or mental impairment. It could be a combination of both. To be eligible for Social Security disability benefits, a disability from whatever source is sufficient. Ssdi benefits continue until your condition improves or you can return to substantial employment.